Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate TikTok two-factor authentication for creator accounts. Easy to open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Log into your creator account if you haven't already. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. Select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Security. Now, look for the two-step verification option. Tap on two-step verification to begin the activation process. You will see a brief explanation of what two-step verification is. Tap on the Enable button to proceed. You will be prompted to choose your preferred verification method. Select either text message or authentication app. If you choose text message, enter your mobile phone number and tap Send Code. Check your messages for the verification code and enter it in the app. If you selected authentication app, follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Once you enter the code or complete the setup, you'll be taken back to the two-step verification page. You should now see that two-step verification is enabled. To complete the process, make sure to review any additional security recommendations. Your TikTok creator account is now more secure with two-factor authentication activated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.